And you see him? He just posted up by my door. I'ma name you if you gonna keep coming over here, man. I'ma call you Rex. I don't know why. What's up, Rex? You don't like that name? No? Let's call you, you look like a Rex. I gotta give you a white boy name. You not white? You a nigga? Reincarnated? How you gonna close your eyes on me? You ain't beautiful eyes. Alright. I didn't even know y'all can do that. That's fire. All these dang butterflies. That's how I know I'm anointed, man. They be coming. They be coming down there and land on me. Thought I was gonna be able to show y'all one. The flies wanna go all in the house. It's one of those mornings, man. Stressed out. This is what happens when you call your ex. Wake up fucked up. So she could call me about anything, but when I call her, she don't even fucking answer. Ain't that about a bitch? You know you fucked up when you smoking something you don't even smoke. Like, I would never do nothing hard like my parents. Like, dope. That's one of the reasons I never did cocaine. But I definitely mess with the Molly. You know, any pill is heroin. So I feel like I'm no better than them, but man, talk about learning to forgive your people. Give them the grace that you would want because I'm just as bad, man. I honestly think that's like a soul contract. That's part of the reasons I even have parents who did dope, both of them. Recovering addicts. Because otherwise I wouldn't be one of the awakened ones, one of the chosen ones. I'd just be out here like everybody else. Even though I have my addictions, I'm very awake. I got thousands of books in there that I read. Enough of that though.